Hey guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. This vlog is going to be a little different than my other vlogs because today we are going to try some Korean cuisine. My new fondness towards Korean drama series, and since Korean cuisine is getting very much popular around the globe, keeping that in mind, today we are going to visit this Korean themed restaurant called Hangbok, which is situated at Bandra. One thing you should know that if you come on Tuesday, you will get 2 cocktails plus 2 appetizers at rupees 7.99. But it's only for ladies because it's ladies special. Now let's get in. Explain dishes over here, so we have Pavitra who's gonna explain everything to us. Now let's begin.
This is called soju bum. If you're coming to Hangbok Korean restaurant, you must try the soju bum. We serving like some authentic style, like soju. How in Korea, if you're going to Korea, how they are drinking is some style. I'll show you. Have a look here. Okay. So ready, when I'll say soju bum, you have to say along with me. Okay, ready? Soju
bum. It's so cool.
So it has basically soju with beer.
Oh.
So now you have to drink. Just take a sip. Say Kambe.
Kambe.
Kambe means cheers. It's Kambe.
Kambe. It's very interesting, guys. It's like a beer,
right?
but the concept is interesting. Too good. After our bang on beginning, what do we have next?
Next is barbecue.
Okay.
So if you coming to Hangbok Korean restaurant, you must try barbecue because our barbecue is really authentic and huge famous in all over Mumbai. If you're going in the Mumbai, I don't think you'll find this kind of barbecue anywhere else.
Okay.
So let's have a try. Okay. So I'll make barbecue for you.
Okay.
Just have a look.
So
I'll
just
explain
tell us,
you.
Yeah. First, tell us all the ingredients that we have.
Yeah, I'll explain you. This is lettuce is called sancho.
Okay.
And this is samjan sauce. And this has a sesame oil with salt, pepper.
Okay.
All right. And the most part is chili. It's a chili, garlic. We'll put in this, and the mushroom and onion and chicken marinated with the barbecue sauce.
So you also get this in veg, right? If anybody,
yes.
our viewers who don't eat chicken, they can have it in veg, right?
Veg also, yes.
Okay. So let's make it.
I'll make it for you. All right.
What is this? We are
It's
putting
called
this
oil.
So this is our normal vegetable oil?
Yeah, it's vegetable oil.
Okay.
We'll put some
So first we add
onion.
onions.
and chili.
This is non-spicy chili? Or
Slightly spicy, not much, but it's slightly.
Okay.
Then garlic.
Okay.
Then I'll put mushroom.
Mushroom.
You like mushroom?
Yes, I love mushrooms.
Oh. Okay. Let's
Then
get hot. Yeah. So
Oh! The sound sound was so amazing. सामने खाना बन जाएगा. So we eat this just like that, or do we have
No,
to?
that once it's done, you have to take a lettuce. You have to put little bit of Samjan sauce.
Okay.
Then put these stuffs all. Then wrap it, dip in this oil. Then you have to have it. Okay.
Oh, it's a long process.
So nowadays, what happened in Mumbai? Lot of girls coming to try the Korean cuisine.
Really?
Yes,
Like
yes.
girls are more than the.
More than the boys.
Oh.
If you come in, you can see now the in the restaurant, no, so a lot of girls.
Yeah, I noticed that there were a lot of girls. Is it ready?
Yeah, it's getting ready. You
And
want to
chicken
try?
is cooked?
You want to try?
Yes.
You can take a piece. Get the plate, please.
I'll try. Yummy. It is spicy. Too good. Yeah, still gonna try. But this was just in between bites. I'm gonna have another one. Yum. बनाते बनाते 2-3 ऐसे ही खा लो. Okay, what's
Okay,
next?
so the next is take a lettuce.
Am I supposed to?
Yeah, please take one lettuce.
Okay.
It's a little bit
So
soft.
this sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? This one
The
also?
next is no, not that one. I'll solve you a little bit.
Oh.
Wait. Wrap it.
I don't have to put this thing.
Just leave it this one and दोनों हाथ से wrap करिए. Yeah.
Okay.
Then dip in this oil.
Oh my god, it just fell off.
With the chicken, eh? You have to take a bite with the.
This is so good. Okay, the sauce is really spicy or the chili was spicy?
Chili is little spicy.
You said it's little spicy.
No, because it is also spicy because its Samjan sauce is made of vegetable, chili, garlic. It's very hot actually.
Yeah.
That sauce.
This is super spicy dish. It does not it does not qualify for moderately spicy, guys. But I loved it. Lettuce, chicken, chili, garlic, and the sauce, and even the oil. The oil is also tasting good. Too good. Awesome. After enjoying our delicious barbecue, the next thing that we have over here is called
Dolsot bibimbap.
Dolso Bibimbap. So can you explain what is
So
this
yeah,
exactly?
dolsot means is traditional Korean stone pot. It's called dolsot. Bibimbap. Bap means it's rice, and it has some vegetables, egg, so inner and nori seeds also. And this is called gochujang sauce. It's a spicy Korean chili sauce, and this has a sesame oil.
So this is spicy Korean chili sauce and this is sesame oil. Rice in Korean language is basically called bap.
Bap. So your dolsot bibimbap is ready. So
Thank you.
yeah, ready. It's
Now-
ready to eat. I'll serve you. Okay. Just give me your plate.
Thank you. Superb. After having couple of bites, I realized that in the beginning you won't feel that it's spicy, but later on you will be hit by the spiciness. Also, there are lots of vegetables like onions, zucchini. In fact, beans are also there. I could taste sprouts. Then there is cabbage, capsicum, carrots. And you also have an option, if you don't eat non-veg or you don't have eggs, then you can ask them not to put it. In fact, they will also ask you, if you're a vegetarian, then they won't add egg in it, and if you're a non-vegetarian, then you can also ask them to add chicken, eggs, whatever you like. I have just opted for eggs, but then though the egg is half done, there is no smell. मतलब egg का जो smell होता है ना, it's not there. The rice is very sticky and it's little spicy, and the beans are giving nice crunch to it. Vegetables are giving nice flavors. Carrot is making it little sweet. This dish is just fabulous. Next thing that we have over here, and we have heard a lot about in every K-drama that we have ever watched. I remember in Nevertheless the lead actors eating tteokbokki, so I had to order this. So here we have our tteokbokki, and please explain us what is it.
So tteokbokki is basically, it is a Korean rice cake. It's made of rice cake only. You can have a look. Here.
So
with
only rice cakes and sauce.
Some vegetables like some cabbage is there inside, and sashimi.
Okay,
with the
sesame
sashimi
on the top.
On the top.
So this is basically the sticky rice that they have added sauce in it, right?
This cake is made of rice only.
Okay, the cake is basically tteokbokki is a rice cake, and then what is the sauce?
It's a gochujang sauce. It has a gochujang sauce.
Again, the one that we had earlier.
Correct.
So
and
this
with
is
the,
gochujang.
with the sashimi.
Gochujang sauce with sesames and some spring onions.
Some cabbage vegetables is there inside.
Okay, vegetables. Alright, so we'll have this. The sauce is sweet and spicy, and there is a lot of sesame seeds and sesame oil, then some vegetables like cabbage, onions. Also, these rice cakes are very sticky in nature. When you'll have the bite, you'll feel that it's so spicy, but then it will be balanced out by the sweetness in this dish. Probably they have added something, you know, sweet, maybe some honey or some sugar like that. So that's why it's getting balanced. Whenever you're having very spicy food, it always has to be balanced with little bit of sweetness, otherwise you're gonna have a tough time. But these rice cakes are very delicious, and I think everything about this place and the food is just fabulous. Guys, one of my favorite K-drama of all time is True Beauty, and if you have seen True Beauty, you know that the lead actress loves ramen noodles, so I had to order this one. So here we have ramen, which is made from?
It has Korean ramen basically. It has some vegetables, and it's spicy to be.
Okay, this is extremely spicy or moderately spicy?
Not extremely. It's medium spicy.
Okay, and with the vegetables
Yeah,
and
it has
noodles.
yes,
That's it,
yes.
right? Okay. So we're gonna enjoy this now. This is looking just good. This is very yummy and also one of my favorite Korean noodles, but these noodles are pretty much similar to the one I have it at home, like those are instant noodles, but same flavor, same taste, everything same, probably because of the mix that they use. And yeah, but in instant noodles you won't get fresh vegetables. In this you definitely have fresh vegetables. You know, मैं जब भी True Beauty देखती थी, मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि यार मेरे को ramen noodles खाने ही हैं. Those are so tasty. In fact, the lead actress used to eat so much. If anyone from my subscribers loves K-drama, then please leave it in the comment section below. Mine is True Beauty. I would love to know which one is yours. So guys, now it's time to rate this place on my festive meter. The place is not too small and not too big. There are two sitting areas. One is like a private space and the other one where everyone can sit. So if you're coming with your family and you want to have some alone time or some quality time with your family, then you might have to book this place in advance so that you can get the private space. In their private sitting, nobody is going to disturb you, so you have to ring the bell in order to call for service. So it's very quiet and nice. Also, their staff is just amazing. One of the best staff I have ever communicated. Now when it comes to food, their food is outstanding. It is par excellent. I just loved it. Each and every dish was so unique. If you're coming here, you have to try their barbecue, which is a must try, and also their beer bomb. I think I should say thanks to Korean Dramas for introducing me to this place. My experience was lovely and wonderful. I'm gonna rate this place 10 on 10 on my festive meter. This rating is for ambience, for their staff, the food. Everything was just glorious. So guys, if you come here, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is FestiveForever4. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're interested in cooking, then you can subscribe to my other channel called Festive Forever. Guys, the place is actually very good and I would definitely recommend you to come here. I guess this is all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. Where did he go यार? अभी तो बोला आ रहा है. बियर पी लूं क्या? So strong.